Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. For the video today I wanted to go through the new Mecca Beauty Loop box for winter 2018. I'm on level 3 and I did one of these videos last time they put out a box and a lot of you really seemed to like it, so I thought I'd do it again. Because I wanted to get this video up right away, I went to Mecca first thing this morning to pick mine up. I was very lucky that I had the day off, so I've just come back from the shops. I picked up a few things I needed at Mecca, but I'm not going to show those today. It's not a haul and they're really only necessities, nothing too exciting. But the most important thing I got is of course the Beauty Loop box, and here it is. I wanted to point out as well, I really like how they've decorated it this time around. It is of course to celebrate the beauty election, but I just love the colouring that they've gone with. This kind of purpley pink and also the neon sign kind of font that they've gone for. I think it looks really cool. Anyway, I'm just going to start opening it up and showing you what I got inside. Alright, as always, there is a little booklet inside just to show all of the products and explain a bit about them. I'm going to set it aside because I do want everything to be a little bit of a surprise, so I'm just going to open it and I'll refer back to it when I need to. Alright, the first thing that I've grabbed here is a little perfume sample, and I've definitely gotten a few of these before in these Beauty Loop boxes and also sometimes as samples when I've made orders online. But here it is. It is the Tocca Giulietta. The scent of this one is apparently pink tulips, green apple, lily of the valley, and also amber. I'm just going to try this one now to see the scent. It's a really pleasant scent, kind of light and fruity, which I guess makes sense with the way they've described it. I thought I'd point out as well, I'm very happy that this one can be sprayed rather than a lot of other little perfume samples where they've got the little stopper. You need to take it off and sort of just press it on your wrist or wherever you want to apply it. I like that this one can be sprayed on like any other normal perfume. Also, when I finish this one, I might refill it with other perfumes. I do have a little perfume atomizer, but I feel like this could still be reusable if I just wanted a very small amount of perfume. I do normally like to reuse little bottles like this where possible, so for now I'm just going to use it up. I might add it into my handbag and use it when I want to, when I'm out and about. So far this first item is something that I'm relatively happy with, so we're off to a good start. Alright, the next thing that I have here is in a little tub. This is the Perfume MD Cold Plasma Plus Face, and I'm just going to refer to my little card here to see what this one is all about. It says that this one is serum and that it's meant to promote firmness, restore radiance, and you just use it morning and night apparently, so that's interesting. I'm glad I checked the little card, just because I wasn't really sure what to expect from the name of the product. I will say it is a pretty generous sample size. I like the fact that it's in a little pot rather than little foil packets. I hate those things and they are kind of hard to use. You don't get that much in them, so this is a pretty good size. So it's kind of a light green cream, if you can see that there. And I'm just going to try some. Okay, so that's nice and light and soothing. It'll be very interesting to try it on the face and see how many applications I can get out of it. I will say I haven't purchased anything from this brand before, but I've definitely gotten quite a few samples of them, so this is also something that I'll be interested to try. Alright, the next one that I have here is in a tiny little tube. It is the NARS Illuminator in Orgasm. I know that NARS came out with these other products not so long ago to go along with the Orgasm blush, so I know there's the Illuminator and also a lipstick in the same sort of shade, and I would assume that you could wear it underneath foundation or also kind of as a liquid highlight, but I'm just going to check in the little card again to see what they say. So yes, it says this one takes its hue from the award-winning blush and that you can apply it to the tops of cheekbones, temples and along the nose bridge, or mix with foundation for an all-over glow. So like I expected, just to use it as a standard sort of illuminator. I'm just going to try a little bit on the back of my hand here. I don't want to use too much because there's really not that much here, but here goes. It goes out quite sheer and nice. So I've just applied it in one stripe down my hand here. I'm just going to see if you can get a sense of how reflective it is. So that's pretty nice. It will be interesting to try on my face. I won't do it today just because I want to get through the rest of this video and I don't know how it will react with my face since I finished it off with a powder, but very glad to have this. This is also something that I will use, and if I like it I might actually go back to buy the full size just because I don't really have too many products like this, too many illuminators or anything like that. So that is yet again another sample that I'm happy with. Alright, now last of all, the last product that I have here is something that I've used before and actually really love. It is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And it's in a very small size, but I guess it would be good for travel. So this one will really come in handy when I am traveling, whether it's just for a weekend away or short trips and things. I think it will be a good size to pack, and I guess when I run out of it, I'll probably refill it, to be honest. Like I said before, I do like to reuse and refill products like this when I can, but I'll probably use it up. I won't use it just as a travel spray. I'll empty it and then refill it when I need to, but I do like this spray, so I'm happy to have it again, even though it is in a very small size. I do actually have the full size one in front of me here because I used it today, funnily enough. So the full size one is 118 mils and this one is 15. So a pretty small size, but I guess all you'd need for a travel spray. And I'll just show you the size difference between the big one and also the sample. I will say, even though this one isn't new to me, I'm still happy that I got it, and it is something that I will definitely use. Alright, so overall, I've got to say, I'm actually very happy with everything I got this time around. I did see already a few things that are in level 1 and level 2, and they seem like pretty good boxes as well. But for myself, level 3 definitely didn't disappoint. I know I'll use everything, and so far feel like I do enjoy everything. I've got to say, for favourite items inside the box, it's probably a tie between the mini spray and also the NARS Illuminator, just because I know I love this already and I appreciate having the travel size now, and this is also something nice for me to use, and it's new for me as well. Alright, now that's it for this little unboxing today. I do hope you enjoyed it or found it helpful if you're looking at joining the Beauty Loop program, or if you're changing between levels and just want to know what to expect from the box. I did say this last time and I'll say it again, I don't think that getting these samples is worth spending big at Mecca to move up levels or anything like that. It's just a little perk, but it is a nice perk and a nice little reward for shopping there. Don't go out there and spend thousands of dollars thinking that you'll get huge, amazing products or anything like that. You just get these boxes 4 times a year and free makeup applications, birthday presents, and a few little things throughout the year. So it's definitely a nice perk, but not a reason to go out and spend stupid amounts of money. With that being said, it is definitely something that I look forward to and enjoy a lot. I always love to find and try out new products, and this is a great way to do that. What I think I'll do now is wrap this up here so that I can edit everything and put it up for you right away. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video today. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!